Welcome back. In this session, we're going to be talking about authorizations for airspaces B through E, which require a certificate of waiver. Also, we're going to touch upon corridors and traffic patterns. Prior authorization is required for Class B, C, and D airspace, and within the lateral boundaries of an airport with Class E airspace. UA pilots are prohibited from contacting the control tower and the ATC directly. As you already know, prior authorization is required for Class B, C, and D airspace and within the lateral boundaries of an airport with Class E airspace. So let's say you're a home inspector inspecting the roof of a house that's within 5 miles of an airport. You're going to want to file a certificate of waiver, so just hop onto the FAA website. File your certificate of waiver with the FAA as early as possible. They suggest give it 90 days to process. So 90 days, that's a long time for someone who needs access right away. So you'll be happy to know that the Low Altitude Authorization and Notification Capability, or LAANC program, is underway. Not all airports do this, but there are a lot of them. And this provides near real-time processing of requests. If you want more information about the LAANC, hop onto the FAA website and just type in LAANC into the search engine and you should find what you need. So you filed for your certificate of waiver and you've been approved. What's next? First, you must be aware of all traffic patterns and approach corridors to runways and landing areas and avoid operating near those areas. And as always, use see and avoid and yield right away to all other aircraft. I know that you already know this, but it is worth repeating. If you're in controlled airspace, such as Class B, C, D, and within the lateral boundaries of an airport that is designated for Class E airspace, you must have prior authorization. No authorization is required for uncontrolled airspace, that is Class G. Regardless of airspace, your drone must be registered. If your flight operations are in special use or other airspace, you may be required to get authorization from a controlling agency. That's really important to note for the exam.